What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. I already talked about New Iberia on the last video and stuff like that. Much as I love that town, wish to go back, but I'm comfortable in New Orleans for right now, you know. But I don't know what's gonna happen though. But for some people that miss me being out there, I'll be back in New Iberia to visit. Okay. So one of these days I'm gonna be doing some traveling. Okay. So I need to travel for whatever kind of reason or type of reason or whatever, you know. So gotta do my gaming videos, gaming channel and stuff like that. The other vlogging channels I have, Super Dominoes 7 channel, I'm gonna turn that into my gaming channel. Okay, excuse me. That Super Dominoes 7 channel, I'm gonna turn that into my gaming channel. Okay, so this video and this other channel, Dominoes 66, another one, Dominoes 7, and this channel Dominoes 7, and the other channel Dominoes 66, or whatever channel I upload this video on, you know, it's gonna be my other vlogging channel, this vlogging channel, that vlogging channel, whatever, you know. So we gotta think about it, folks. Never mind what I'm thinking about. Okay. So New Iberia is developing. Okay, they got a second Walmart out there that I haven't seen yet. You know, I sure would like to go out there and check that Walmart out. You know, 2 Walmarts in New Iberia, a neighborhood Walmart and a super Walmart. You know, I like that. You know, but it's right by Bilo, well, across the street from not Winn-Dixie. Walgreens, you know. I like Walgreens, you know, right by CVS Pharmacy, you know. I knew somebody I knew a few people that worked at CVS Pharmacy. I doubted if they're still there, but no, I don't think they're still there, you know. There's one girl I know that used to work at Walmart. I was told that she worked at CVS, but I ain't gonna mention no names. Some of you probably know who I'm talking about. If you live in New Iberia and watching this video, you know. So I love New Orleans too, okay. And plus I gotta check y'all news channels out again, you know. So I forgot the people's names, like on KLFY, KTC, KDN. Well, they ain't had a news channel yet, you know. And I forgot that the other channel, KLP, whatever you call that broadcast at Lake Charles. I wonder, you know. And I haven't been in Baton Rouge before, you know. And Nala, she have family and friends that live in Baton Rouge, you know. I sure would love to visit Baton Rouge, you know. Never been in Baton Rouge before. I remember watching a plane trade video in Baton Rouge. I was living in New Iberia at the time. I ain't gonna point right here because I'm in New Orleans. Okay, so I wanted to go visit the plane trade in Baton Rouge, but unfortunately that plane trade is gone, you know, just as well as the plane trade here in New Orleans, you know. That really broke my heart when a plane trade closed down here in New Orleans, you know, and in New Iberia, you know. I need the place to shop for old games, you know, not just new games, old games too, you know. But I sure don't want to program no games in my computer, you know. Suppose if I want to save the game from last I played, you know. But unfortunately, it wouldn't happen, you know. I hope y'all enjoy my Comic-Con video, you know. My Comic-Con episode, though, you know. But unfortunately, Kristen and Allie couldn't make it. Couldn't call them stupid because, I mean, when I call Kristen stupid, I'm sorry, you know. I know Kristen is watching this, though. Well, Kelly came. I'm glad I had a chance to meet her, you know. All right, so Kelly is beautiful, okay? So she's already married, you know. But Bobby had a chance to meet Kelly, you know. When me and Bobby first met, I introduced him to Kristen and Allie and Blake. For some of you that know that Blake and Kristen broke up a couple of years ago, you know, in 2015. But now we're in 2018, you know. But this is some shit here, you know. Excuse my language, you know. Watching Roger Ramjet and Jurassic Park is being played behind me, you know. Alright, so alright. I gotta go wash them dishes downstairs, you know. So thinking about that shooting in New Iberia, they had a sheriff's department. Well, the sheriff's department's still out there, but they brought back the police department, you know. I mean, every time there's a police department, I don't know about no damn sheriff, you know. So, like it's one of them old Western type shows. I mean, movies and stuff like that. Well, when there's a small town and one sheriff, you know. So the way I think about it, sheriff is boss of the town, and the sheriff is boss of that town, and have a deputy that's an assistant, you know. As far as that, you know. So the way I think about it, this some kind of Ricochet Rabbit type of thing, you know. I forgot the other character name, you know. So I'm gonna find out what's the name of that character? Droop Along, I think, you know. Ricochet Rabbit type thing, you know. So the way I think about it, I hope New Iberia is safe, you know. I mean, New Iberia is a small town, but seem like New Iberia is expanding, as far as I know, you know. I mean, I love the countryside, the land and stuff like that. It's beautiful. A beautiful town for relaxation, okay? So how many of y'all like small towns, you know? But I barely been in Lydia as far as I know, you know. But barely been in Franklin, you know, when we was moving and stuff like that. We stopped, I think it was Franklin, Louisiana, you know. I think it was, though, you know. So, what I think about it, folks, love that town, though. I'm planning on visiting Houston, though, alright. And then Randy Smith, a.k.a. Randy TV, Truth the Gamer, he trying to move back to Houston, you know. Well, I would visit Texas, but I'm not gonna live in Texas, you know. Ryan staying Dallas, Texas, you know. But unfortunately for me and for some of us, that he lives in Dallas, Texas, you know. So hopefully he'll be back one day, you know. Living in Texas. I mean, I lived in Texas before. I wish I would have had the video of us living in Texas and before Katrina. God bless me. Okay. Well, Well, that's all Dominoes something I got to say. All right. Peace out, everybody. See ya.